Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to 134 week of 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, making a card in just 10 minutes using scraps. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you enjoy this series, there's a whole bunch more, of course, 133 more of these, as well as a whole bunch of 5-minute card making videos if you want to check those out. Otherwise, I'm going to continue on here today. This card is from Cindy, and I am going to do what I always do. We're going to jump out and see what we have to work with, and then I'm going to start the timer, and I've got 10 minutes to create a card. This is cool. Check this out. There's a little bow. Cute, cute. Some little black string, and then a whole bunch of really cool things. What is this one? I think that's a piece of washi tape. Oh, even a sentiment. That's cool. Lots of different, really neat colors. Okay, let's get started. I've got 10 minutes to go. This is so neat. Look at all these fun, different papers. Oh my gosh. This is going to be really cool. I'm just going to start doing some layering here. Let's see if I can get just a little bit of wet glue here. So if you are unfamiliar or you're new, you stumbled across my channel, even if you're not, if you just didn't know, we are doing these twice a week now, pre-recorded. And so this should be on a Monday, and then the next one will be on Wednesday, so we have 2 every week. So if you want to get involved, now would be the time. Join us on Quality Crafts on Facebook, our community group. We are drama and commitment free, so just anyone's welcome to join. These are so cool. And then once you join that, we will get you the information so you can send in your own, so you can get a card back from me. So when I'm done with this card, I won't keep it. I will stamp my information on the back and send it on to Cindy. She lives kind of close to me, so we'll probably just wait until this whole stuff is over with the COVID, and then she'll probably just come pick hers up. But if you're not near me, you're totally welcome to join in, and I will just ship them to you. This butterfly is cool. I'm gonna make him like pop up. I hope that while you guys are social distancing, and maybe you're watching this way after that even happened and it's just a blip in our lives, but I hope that you're coming in here and that this is some really good social distraction for you. There's so many of these. You could binge watch all 133. This one including would be 134th. Just kind of blows my mind that I've been through that many of them. And now that we're doing 2 a week, that's going to be even crazier. This is really cute washi. I think I want to add this in somewhere if I can get it off of this strip. Just going to put it right on here. Add some more colors. That's pretty. Some more pieces. I may cut some of these pieces. We'll see how it goes. I really like the sentiment too. Like, I don't want to waste that, but I want to pop it up. So I'm gonna get some pop-up tape. I think I'm almost out of it. I have to get a new little roll here soon. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried this before? Have you just tried pulling out some of your scraps and setting yourself a time limit, no matter how much that time limit is? Maybe you're not a quick thinker. Maybe you want to set a time limit for a half an hour, 20 minutes, or maybe an hour or more, and see if you can get a card made in that amount of time. It makes you think outside your own box and like just commit to things a little bit quicker. So it's a fun little experiment. I really encourage you to try it out. I mean, obviously I've been doing this a long time, but every single one is different. Every time I do it, it's different. That is so cool. Isn't that neat? Look at that. All the fun things she sent in here. This little black bow would probably be really cute on here. I am not completely convinced where I want to put it yet, though. So what about this? I can make this into a bow as well. You might be able to hear my husband's new game he's playing. So this is a little double bow. I wonder if, could I put that right on him? Oh, that would be cute. Let's go ahead and do that. A little bit of glue. I'm going to put that right on our little, that should dry pretty well there. This glue is pretty strong. Cool. So I think I'm going to skip this bow since I already put that other black bow on. So let's do a little bit of this on the inside. And we want to do a little bit of this on the inside as well. We'll pull this all together. Some ATG. If you enjoy this content, I also do Friday videos called Friday Free Play, where we learn techniques and stuff. Usually I do a how-to or a DIY, something similar to that. The last one we did was glitter embellishments DIY. Those were super fun. I had such a blast. That looks really cute like that. May put a little bit of this in there. Nope, I think I'm going to leave it just like that. That looks really cool. And with these, I'm going to just cut these out. And see if maybe I want to put one of these on there, because that's cute. So happy Easter. I hope you celebrate by calling the people that you love. That's pretty cute. You could probably put that on there. Let's do a little bit of inking here. Got some gathered twigs. I actually don't even want to add anymore. I can't believe I'm like totally done. I just don't even want to add it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm done early. But I just totally am in love with the way this looks. So I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to pause here. Let's see, how do I just pause? Okay, there we go. I'm going to pause here and I'm going to say this is done. I know I didn't take the full 10 minutes, but this is a really cool card and I don't want to add more just to be adding more. And I'm going to talk to you for just a minute and explain what I do with all these scraps that we had left over that I did not use. Let's call this finished. This is a really nicely balanced card. This would be perfect for male or female. It's amazing. And look at the fun stuff on the inside. I love these panels that she created. So Cindy, magnificent. I am going to stop here and say this is done. Now, I have an extra box where I put all the stuff that I did not use. And it's my owl box, and eventually I'll have to upgrade to a bigger box. But all of these are going to be saved for the end of the year, crop in the new year celebration, which is like a 4-hour crop that we do. And then I pull all these pieces from that box and just create from it for 4 hours. You guys are welcome to work on whatever you want at that time. It's super fun. We've done it for 2 or 3 years in a row now, and people really enjoy it. So this will be, I'll be saving this for Cindy. What a gorgeous card. You sent in some of the coolest stuff ever. I really love this. So I'm going to stop there, and you will see another video like this on Wednesday. And then don't forget to join me on Friday for Friday Free Play. And I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let us know. Just contact us on Facebook, either Jen Evers or Penny Jo Ratcliffe, and she'd be happy to help you out in any way that she can as well. We also have an online store, so if you're not, you don't want to wait until our next sale, and our next sale is the 18th, the 18th of April. So if you're watching this past that date, you can just disregard that. But the 18th of April, on that Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we will be right here on this channel doing our live sale. Otherwise, if you don't want to wait for that, qualitycrafts.com is your source for everything that you need craft supplies, especially while we are safe at home. Just know that we are still open. We are still shipping everything that we can get in for you. We can special order. We would love to help you out with any of your crafting needs. Just let us know. Send us a message or purchase things through qualitycrafts.com. If you like this drama-free, commitment-free community that we have, feel free to support us in any way that you can on patreon.com/qualitycrafts. We would love to have you. You'd be put in a private group. There's certain perks that come with that. And you can find all the information that you need for that by going to qualitycrafts.com, clicking on either the Patreon or the store button, or if you go in the link down below in the description box, there's links for all those things. So I hope to see you guys there, and I cannot wait to see you next video.